Okay, so my dear students, we are back here again with one more new video. So now in this case, we are going to see what is the Schwartz reaction. Schwartz reaction. So in this case, we are going to see the bromination, chlorination, fluorination and the iodination. So we have already seen that the bromination and chlorination of alkanes can take place easily, right? We all know that the bromination and the chlorination of the alkanes can take place very easily, but iodination and fluorination of alkanes does not take place very easily. Why? Because in the case of iodination, it occurs the reversible reaction. Reversible reaction occurs in the case of iodination, and what happens in the case of a fluorination? It gives a very highly reactive reaction. It gives a very highly reactive, or we can say explosive reaction, right? So for this purpose, for the fluorination of alkanes, we are going to use Schwartz reaction. Schwartz reaction. Remember, my dear students, for fluorination of alkanes, we'll be using the Schwartz reaction, and for the iodination of alkanes, we will be using the reaction called as Finn-Claisten reaction. Right? So Finn-Claisten reaction we have just seen in the last lecture. What is Finn-Claisten? It is simply a exchange of the halogen, right, where one of the halogen is exchanged by the other halogen. So in that case, we have seen the example of a RCl, that is the alkyl chloride treated with the iodine to get converted into alkyl iodide. Right, so that reaction is nothing but called as the Finn-Claisten reaction. It is used for the iodination of the alkanes, remember. And for fluorination of alkanes, we are going to use the Schwartz reaction. Now this particular Schwartz reaction can be carried out by using the metal fluorides. Now what are these metal fluorides? This metal fluorides can be AgF, it can be Hg2F2, it can be AsF3, or it can be SbF3, right? So this metal fluorides are used for the particular reaction. So quickly I will give you the reaction and then we will finish with today's topic, right? Okay, so the reaction is very simple. RCl, that is the alkyl chloride, when treated with AgF, that is the metal fluoride, it gives you Rf plus AgCl, right? So what is Rf? Rf is nothing but the fluorination of a alkane. Right? So as I told you that fluorine is a very highly reactive. So direct reaction of a fluorine with the alkane is not possible, right? Remember this. Direct reaction of fluorine with alkane is not possible because fluorine is highly reactive. It gives you the explosive reaction. Right, my dear students? So that is why for the fluorination of alkanes, we are using the reaction called as Schwartz reaction. What kind of a reaction it is? Schwartz reaction, right? Schwartz reaction, right? This reaction is very, very important. So two reactions I have told you today, Schwartz reaction and Finn-Clastone reaction. So my dear students, these two reactions are generally asked in the exam and that are very, very important. So it is enough for the day. Thank you very much.